everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul. This has been a long time coming. I have not bought anything from Tonic Studios, I think since last Black Friday, and this is the only order I actually did on the Black Fridays because I haven't actually used everything that I bought last year. But I thought I'm going to get one of these goodie bags and see what's inside. So as they had a really good deal on it, I think it was about £150 or something like that for a £40 purchase, but I'd already got a £10 gift voucher that they sent via an email, so I've got all this for £30. Anyway, I'm rabbiting, let's dive in. So before I take the paper off, I just want to say everything in here is a complete surprise to me. It's not like Crafter's Companion where they show you online on the TV shows and stuff what they actually giving you. So Tonic don't do that. So, and if they do, I wasn't aware of it. So I am super excited to know what we got. So first of all, we've got a thank you for my order. What's this? Some more pamphlets, I'm guessing. Oh, £10 off, that's cool. We've got a couple of those. That's really kind of them. Oh, I've got like a pencil case, and now I have got these in the A4 and I can store some of my cardstock in there. That'd be ideal to store my tools in when I go to my craft group actually. Then we've got some card blanks and envelopes, and I was actually needing some more 6x6, so I was actually going to go the range this weekend and pick some more up because I'm running low on the Christmas side of it for my cards using this size, so I made up for that. The scissors, I'm not sure if I've got this size or not, I'm not too sure. Let me go and get my scissors I have. Well, I can't seem to find them, but I'm not sure if I've got this size or not, but you can never have too many scissors anyway, so that's a really good buy. Then we've got the deluxe adhesive. Now I love their adhesive. I have this one and I can see we've got another adhesive here. I buy both of these regular when I go to craft shows and stuff, so I'm really made up to actually get those. And then we've got some dies here. So it's like a florally die, and it's called the Orchard Meadow Mosaic die, and it's part of the Verso die set range, and there's 2 dies in here. So that looks really interesting. You can decoupage that up there, so that's cool. A butterfly forest, and this looks like it's a cut and emboss. Yeah, it is a cut and emboss info. Die cut and embossing folder. Jeez, get your teeth back in, Jane. And it's butterflies. So how pretty is that? Can't wait to try that one. Haha. Now I have actually bought this, and I bought this at full price, but you know what, because I use this quite a lot, I can do more than one. It's got lots of sentiments in here, so I use it quite a lot for my mini albums, journaling and that kind of stuff. It's perfect, so I'm more than happy that I've actually got a duplicate of that. I haven't got this one either, so I've done really well with this one. And this is the Wilderness Adventure Garden Picnic, and it's got like trees and rabbits and stuff like that. I'm guessing there's going to be quite a bit of paper piecing in here, but just how cute are those for Easter or a newborn baby and stuff like that. They're just beautiful. I like that. And then we've got some papers. Oh, it's mixed, so I'll take them out and show you. So I've got this gorgeous paper here, and it's like a coppery coffee colour, and we've got 2 of those, and it's quite thick. It's really nice. Really like this one. Let's go that way. How pretty is that? And that's like a pink with a shimmer of gold running through that. And then we've got a really swirly one. Now that would have been cool in blue. It could be like representative of the sea. Again, 2 of those, and I love this one. I have seen somebody using this a while ago, and I wanted to try it out, and I'm so happy I get a chance to try this out. And then the last one is what we'd seen previously, which is the flowers, which these I could colour up with my ink pads as well. I like it when they give you a plain colour like that, because you can colour it to your desire, but having this really nice sheen one is perfect too. And then the last thing I've got is some crystal drops, and this is in Shimmering Rose. Now I'm not going to open this just because I'm not sure if I have this one or not, but that was definitely a really good bargain bag as far as I'm concerned. I'm definitely glad I got it. I mean, I think this one was, when I bought it full price, I think it was about £15. I could be completely wrong, but no, I'm more than happy with my purchase. And then I've got my discount codes as well. So actually that's for craft kits. I don't want the craft kits. Alright, there we are. So I've got a £10 off if I spend £50 on there, so even better. So yes, that is my haul, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. I really can't wait to do some stuff with all this lovely goodness. I'd love it if you would please comment and subscribe, and love to see what you got in the Black Friday deals, whether it's from Tonic or elsewhere. I'd love to see. Well, again, thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I shall see you in the next video. Bye.